In this clip, I will show you how to make the sailboat. This is a symbol of Origami USA, which is a national origami society. You can check out their website. The sailboat begins with a preliminary base. However, for the sailboat, we want to make it so that the color side is on the inside of the preliminary base. So with the color side in and the preliminary base and the open side towards us, we are going to take the top layer and fold it up to the top point, fold it in half on this side. Turn your unit to the other side and do the same thing. Fold your triangle up in half. Now taking this top section, fold it to the left, and with this layer we are going to do a pleat fold. Fold your triangle in half first, and then pleat fold it back this. Refold this section back to the preliminary base so that you have a sail that is a little shorter than the other one. Turn your unit right side up, take your triangle and fold it up to the side of the sailboat, and you have your sailboat.